Hi friends, this is Lokesh. Welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. And today we are going to discussing about interface in Java. First we'll go for theoretical, then we'll go for practical. Like interface is in a Java is a blueprint of a class. It has a static constant and abstract methods. Basically, we can able to achieve multiple inheritance here. And the mechanism achieved to abstraction basically. In this interface, it's the same how we are going to create the class same way, but it's a just interface it is presented. But in this interface having abstract methods, but that method don't have a body. And we can able to say another way like interface can have abstract methods and variables. It cannot have a method body. It cannot be just like a abstract class. Since to Java 8 and Java 9, default and static methods interfaces presented and private methods are presented in interface 8 and 9. Previous before 8 and 9, there is 7 and remaining things, right? In that previous version, there is no method body and default one is not presented, but Java 8 and 9, it is presented private methods as well as default and static methods are presented. Why we need to use interfaces basically? But it here to like it is used to achieve the abstraction basically. We can support a functionality of multiple inheritance. Like in Java is not supporting multiple inheritance, right? That we can able to achieve using interface. It can be used to achieve a loose coupling. How to declare an interface basically? We can able to give the interface name, interface and interface name we are going to provide, and we are declaring here constant and methods, abstract methods and defaults one we are going to declare inside. How we are going to create class, right? Class, and we are going to create a class name. The same way we can able to create interface and interface name. And relationship between the class and interface basically, class exceeds another class and interface exceeds another interface, but a class implements an interface. Whenever you want to access another class one, we can able to use exceed, and the same way interface also we can able to use exceeds. But if you want to implement interface in class, we need to use implementation. Then only we can able to implement that methods, because interface it is having methods, right? Only method is presented, there is no body. At the same time we can able to utilize that one to implementation. Here we can able to achieve nested interfaces also. Declaring within another interface or a class is known as a nested interface. Means within a class or outside the class, like within a class we are going to create another class, that is also we can able to do in multiple nested classes, right? Same way we can able to use interface within a class to implement, like we can able to use interface inside the class, that is called a nested interface. These nested interfaces are used to a group of related interfaces so they can be used easy to maintain. The nested interfaces must be referred by other outer interface or class. It cannot be accessed directly. Means I'll show you how we are going to access that one, because we cannot able to directly, like if you see that simple way I can able to say once again. See, now here is I have interface this one, but I want to nested. Then I need to utilize like a implementation, and in case if it is presented that class dot, which is the class nested one it is presented, that class we need to access. Then only we can able to access inside nested class one. Otherwise we can't access. And nested interfaces points basically, nested interfaces must be a public if it is declared inside an interface. but it can have any access modifier if declaring within the class. Nested interfaces are declared as static implementation presented. Syntax are presented like this: interface and name, and again we are going to create another one, nested one. Interface, again we are going to provide. The same way we can able to create inside the class also. Class, interface. Inside the class we are going to create interface and we are going to give a nested one. And we can able to see the practical how we can able to do it. See, this is my interface, public interface name I'm going to provide. Here I'm going to use void print is my method. Okay, this is my method. I'm going to implement this one into here. Implementation and interface A. Interface A is the one. And it is showing the error message, right? Because already method is presented. Unimplemented methods. Make type main method is abstract. We can able to using this one because we told you, right? Interface having the abstract methods. The same way we need to implement here public void print, and I'm going to use print method. This way we can able to implement. Again, we can able to inherit multiple inheritance, right? Now I'm going to here using void show method, and this method I'm going to utilizing again multiple inheritance, comma B, and I need to implement show method here. Public void show and sysout show is the value. We can able to achieve multiple, and we can able to, I told you, right? We can able to interface, again we can able to exceed into class another interface, and here I'm going to use exceed method class A, and here we can able to access that one, that method. We can able to exit that methods. And we can able to achieve using that class. Now see, we are exceeded, right? Now I'm going to remove class A here, and still we can able to use because print method is presented class B also, because class A exceed in class B. In class B, it's exceed that one, that methods, class A methods, class B is able to access. That's why this print method is presented class B also. Only we implemented class B. Here we can able to achieve. See, if I remove, then it is showing method unimplemented method abstract methods. Here is the method type main method must be inherited abstract method interface A. And if I copy paste it, then it will go, because here we exceed that class multiple inheritance, and we can able to implement exceed into interface to another interface. Now we want to see next default one. So class A, and we have class C. Here I'm going to create default methods. Default void message, and here I'm going to print message. This also we can able to, this is the default one. Default one also we can able to use, because that also we seen, right? Here nested, since 8, since Java 8 default and static methods are presented and private methods in interface, and static one also we can able to achieve. Static int add int a comma int b, and here I'm going to return a plus b, which is the value it is displaying. That value I'm going to display one. This is also we can able to directly, we can able to access this class. Here we can able to directly call interface. I need to use, I think. Oh, sorry, because I am using every time outside, right? That's why it is not coming. And we can able to give 5, 10. This way we can able to create a static methods, and even we can able to create private also. Private void add, and I can able to print out add. Like this we can able to create a private method and static and default method in interface, and we can able to multiple inheritance we can able to do, and a class we can able to like nested interface xt, we can able to interface another interface, we can able to exceeds, and also we can able to create interface nest interface. Here we can able to create values, like we can able to display one, and this one I'm going to implement there. I can able to access this one, comma dot. Okay, I think I have to make it as a public yes, nested one, and I want to implement here display. I have to use the same name, display. This way we can able to achieve using nested classes also. Nested one we can able to use using the class name with the nested class name. This way we can able to achieve using our coding standard interface, and multiple and nested multiple, everything it we can able to access. If you like this video, please like my video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.